Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 18th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're starting off on the daily time frame. So the dollar yen pushed beyond the 78% Fibonacci retracement, and honestly, I think that means that we're going to go up to at least a 90%. And really, if we think about it, this low right here on the weekly or the monthly could be a wave C. If this low right here is a wave C, then this will go up and continue to make higher highs, higher lows, and it will go up and take out the 100% Fibonacci extension because that's what happens at the end of a wave C. So until we get evidence that it's going down with a break of structure to the downside on these longer time frames, I am definitely staying very, very bullish. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, yes, it definitely is making impulsive movement down from time to time. Some of these moves down were pretty strong, but every single one of these moves to the downside never broke any structure. Even on the 4 hour time frame, which right now is right here, this is the most recent structure. It could possibly pull back and it could just make another higher low and just keep on going up. For me personally, I am doing nothing but looking for longs in an uptrend. I'm not trying to get in on any of these counter trend moves because they're very unpredictable and unreliable. It potentially could just do something like this and go up. It could do something like this and go up. So no matter what it does, I'm just going to keep my eye on my Fibonacci retracement. I'm going to look for three-way pullbacks and I'm going to look for more long opportunities. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.